Welcome to the top best. The best candy maker is probably one of the most exciting and versatile kitchen appliances you can add to your home, allowing you to unleash your inner chocolatier or confectioner and create a dazzling array of sweet treats right in your own kitchen. Imagine the joy of crafting personalized chocolates for gifts, whipping up batches of homemade gummies for movie nights, or even experimenting with intricate sugar work for special occasions, all with the convenience and control that a dedicated candy maker provides. This device isn't just about making sweets, it's about creating experiences, sharing delicious moments with loved ones, and exploring a world of culinary creativity that's both fun and rewarding. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your home with this electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. You can use regular ice cubes or bagged ice, or even make your own perfectly shaped ice blocks with the included molds. It offers flexibility for all your frozen drink creations. This machine features a simple 3-piece design, making it incredibly easy to put together and get started. It's also designed for convenient storage when not in use. While great for snow cones, this versatile appliance can add a refreshing twist to your cocktails, like margaritas, or enhance other beverages. Give your blender a rest. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This high-quality, multifunctional machine is a simple plug-in operation for everyday enjoyment. Explore a world of taste by adding your favorite syrups. It's not just for shaved ice, it's a gateway to endless frozen dessert and drink possibilities. What we like? This machine is incredibly versatile, allowing you to use cube ice, bagged ice, or even your own homemade ice blocks. If you're looking for a machine that offers flexibility in ice preparation and comes with everything you need to get started, including reusable ice molds, this is a fantastic choice for your home. What people say. It indeed makes freshly fallen snow consistency shaved ice. The ice is a bit more fluffy than the shaved ice trucks, which is a bit more icy. This tends to melt the ice easier. Simple operating machines and gives uniform and fine shaved ice to enjoy varieties of desserts. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine. This countertop machine makes it easy to have your own icy treat station at home. It's simple to use and clean, and portable for easy storage. The kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, pourers, and ice molds. You'll have everything needed to get the party started. Each syrup bottle can make about 8 flavored snow cones. With the included supplies, you can create up to 24 delicious snow cones. Operating this electric shaved ice machine is straightforward. It also stores conveniently when not in use, making it a practical addition to your kitchen. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, being free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and egg products. They are shelf-stable and ready to use. Beyond shaved ice, these syrups add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Explore a variety of options to enhance nearly any beverage or treat. What we like? This is the ultimate all-in-one kit for instant party fun, providing not only the machine but also 3 popular syrup flavors, cups, straws, and ice molds. If you want to throw a spontaneous snow cone party without any hassle and need everything included, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The ice shaver is awesome. When you use the molds, it comes out soft and fluffy, absolutely perfect, and grinds very smoothly. This machine is durable and works flawlessly. Number 3. Cotton Candy Express CC1000S Cotton Candy Machine. Introducing the Cotton Candy Express CC1000S, your ticket to homemade fun. This machine makes creating delicious cotton candy easier than ever before. Get creative with your flavors. Beyond the included sugars, you can even use crushed hard candies for unique tastes. Mix and match colors for a truly custom treat. Making cotton candy is as simple as turning it on, adding sugar, and collecting the fluffy sweetness. Cleanup is a breeze with just water and a little soap. This compact machine weighs only 4.7 pounds, making it easy to store when not in use. Enjoy your favorite treat without sacrificing counter space. It's the perfect gift for holidays, birthdays, or any celebration. Bring the nostalgic fun of the state fair right into your home. Enjoy worry-free indulgence. The included sugars are free from common allergens like peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, dairy, and soy. This kit comes complete with the cotton candy maker, 5 flavors of floss sugar, and 50 paper cones, ready for you to start making over 100 servings. What we like? This machine offers a unique twist by allowing you to use crushed hard candies, not just floss sugar, opening up a world of flavor possibilities. If you enjoy experimenting with flavors or want a fun, retro-style machine that's easy to store and use, this is an excellent option for creative treats. What people say. It works well, is very easy to use, and comes with large containers of the flavored sugar and plenty of supplies. This machine cleans up with water and a damp cloth. The kit is complete. And what makes it special is that you get much more than a teaser. You realistically get enough cotton candy supplies to enjoy over and over again. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Electric Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your kitchen with this kid-friendly electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from slushies to margaritas, giving you your own icy treat station. This countertop snow cone maker is designed for simplicity. It's incredibly easy to operate and clean up afterwards, making treat preparation a breeze. You can use either homemade cube ice or store-bought bagged ice cubes. This flexibility ensures you can always make your favorite icy creations. Quickly prepare cool treats for sleepovers, birthday parties, or any family get-together. It's a guaranteed hit for guests of all ages. Give your blender a break and explore endless possibilities. Add a new twist to cocktails, sodas, smoothies, and so much more with perfectly chewable shaved ice. Operating this machine is straightforward, and it stores conveniently away when not in use. Its compact size makes it easy to tuck under the counter or in a cabinet. Enhance your icy creations with a wide variety of delicious syrup options. These syrups are allergy-friendly and add a perfect dash of flavor to almost anything. What we like? Designed with families in mind, this machine is incredibly easy for kids to use and prepare their own icy treats quickly. If you're looking for a safe, simple, and compact machine that can entertain children at parties or during hot afternoons, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It is very easy to use, the kids did it all themselves. This shaver is user-friendly and it does as it's described. I like that it won't turn on unless the lid is secure and that my kids can operate it without me worrying that they'll spray ice shavings everywhere. Number 1. Cotton Candy Express Floss Sugar Variety Pack. Get ready for a carnival experience at home. This variety pack brings you 5 delicious flavors of floss sugar, perfect for any occasion. We've included everything you need to get started, from the flavorful floss sugar to 50 paper cones. Just add your cotton candy machine. Simply scoop or pour the sugar into your machine and watch the magic happen. You'll create fluffy, carnival-quality cotton candy in no time. Get creative by mixing and matching flavors to create unique tie-dye effects. Each jar makes 20 to 30 servings, so the fun lasts longer. Bring the joy of the fair to your next party or enjoy a nostalgic treat. It's the perfect addition to any gathering. Don't forget to check out our other exciting flavors and treats. We have something to satisfy every sweet tooth. What we like? This variety pack offers exciting and unique flavors like lime and pina colada, allowing you to create a truly special cotton candy experience. If you love to explore different tastes and want to impress guests with a wide range of carnival-quality flavors, this pack is a must-have for your cotton candy adventures. What people say. It works great, even our little maker. The flavors are amazing to eat. The colors are great. Each flavor comes well sealed, with intense colors and a fine texture that melts quickly in the machine. The cotton candy comes out fluffy, sweet, and with an incredible aroma. These are delicious and my kids absolutely love them. Whatever the flavor is, that's what it tastes like. Our kids love making the cotton candy and it has the cotton candy consistency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.